back to the channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Horizon AI powered DeFi revolution and reshaping the future of wealth distribution. I will share all the detail about the first DEF AI protocol built on real AI revenue, their details here. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So here I will go back. First of all, I want to share with you about the crypto, that how the crypto market is going on. You can see the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, XRP, everything here is in that it is given here. So furthermore, without wasting your time, I will start review about the most important project, which is Horizon, the first DEF AI protocol built on real AI revenue. And you can see it here. Horizon connects artificial intelligence tool to a decentralized financial engine where on-chain yield is generated not by speculation but by AI doing real work. It is transparent, it is sustainable, and it is permissionless. So their details is given here. Horizon, an innovative protocol that fuses cutting-edge artificial intelligence AI with a decentralized finance. DeFi officially announced the launch of its protocol, and Horizon is committed to breaking the limitations of traditional DeFi by building an intelligent, highly stable, and sustainable next-generation financial infrastructure. So you can see their market value here, which is given here, and you can see from productivity to protocol, a new economic layer is emerging, and as AI transforms industries and DeFi matures, a new category is forming, of one that links digital labor to the transparent on-chain income. So there are the three options which are given. AI is creating the next economic engine where the generative AI is expected to add up $4.4 trillion in value annually. Horizon is designed to plug directly into this output, not as a service but infrastructure that earns and distribute yield. So they're given here the innovative solution to DeFi's core challenges. Ending, you can see it here. Horizon protocol tackles the key main points of today's DeFi landscaping with its unique AI engine and module smart contract architecture. So which is given here about that. And tokenomics must evolve, and where they give about most Web3 system rely on short-term immersion and speculative liquidity, align incentive built from day one, and all builders earn from usage. So the detail is given. So if I go further, they have the DeFi 3.5 Horizon DEF AI value loop, where they tell about the AI revenue modules. You can see it here, and AI tools like chatbots, APIs, and generate income via subscription calls and output. And the further is that they have the cross-chain integration, which is given here. They have compatible with major AVM chains and AI compute platforms on chain treasury. You can see it here. Their details about that is given here. You can read all that. With the launch of this, Horizon invite blockchain enthusiasts, developers, liquidity providers, and investors worldwide to join this movement. This is a pioneering project that deeply integrate the AI productivity, and you can see the protocol governance and permissionless participation into the ecosystem is given, where they tell about that the Circle, BNB chain, Chainlink, and furthermore their detail is given, so you can go for that all details. So here is the option for invite and also option for the enter the app. So I will open enter the app option here, and for that you have to connect it with your wallet. You can see the market cap, total mining, which is given here. Here the details, and you can see their ORI price is also given here. You can see further that their official protocol launch, co-building the future of smart DeFi. With the launch of its protocol, Horizon invites blockchain and different developers, liquidity providers, investors worldwide to join this movement. You can have to first of all join that by connect your wallet. I will just click on it, and you can connect wallet like MetaMask or others. So I will just go back and do that and share it with you further. Details about that is given here. You can see for the bonds contribution invite, you can invite your friends here, and you can see further details on it too. So Horizon is groundbreaking AI driven DeFi protocol that uses deep learning algorithms and intelligent smart contract to solve the core issue of traditional DeFi. It is designed to be highly adaptive ultra stable and self-evolving the infrastructure for the next generation of finance. Horizon firmly believes that the value of the AI and its using decentralized mechanism to fulfill that version. You can see their charts, and you can see ORI, total ORI burning, and all details from that. Furthermore, you can see their details, their that links is given. I will give that link tree in my video description so you can get to know about all their details, their social media. You can join that. And furthermore, I want to share with you about their white paper. You can see the white paper is given the new horizon, introduce bold new vision, and you can see their details about the bold vision is given. What is def AI? You can go and bridging AI details about that is given. Bridging AI defi through revenue backed treasury infrastructure. You can see the solution. You can even see the def AI fly v layer where they all services product income flows into on-chain smart contracts. And furthermore, their token overview is given here, that their trading rules are fees are 0% on purchase and 5% on say fees allocation is given 2% for their DAO and 1.5% for their community development and marketing. You can see further their details, AI productive product layer, the revenue engine. You can see their all details on it. So furthermore, you can also be able to join them on their social media accounts like on Twitter. You can even see their videos here. You can even go and join them on Telegram too. All their details about that is given here. So it is a project from where you can be able to make money on it. So this video is for educational purpose, and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing in it. So if you like video, give thumbs up and must subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.